Welcome to this demo on how to highlight high-risk leads in Salesforce using the lead score field. In this video, we will demonstrate how highlighting the lead score field can help sales representatives quickly identify and prioritize leads that have the highest potential for conversion or require immediate attention. Here we have the lead record page. The lead score field is crucial as it indicates the potential value or risk associated with each lead. By highlighting this field when the score reaches a certain threshold, sales reps can easily spot high-risk or highly qualified leads. Next, we set up conditional highlighting on the lead record page. Navigate to the lead record page editor. Add a field highlighter component as bottom-most component on the record page. We will use this component to dynamically change its appearance based on the criteria. Apply filter criteria to the field highlighter component. For instance, if the lead score is above 80, we consider it high risk. This helps draw immediate attention to the lead score field. Now, let's preview the changes. As you can see, when a lead score exceeds 80, the lead score field is highlighted, making it instantly recognizable. This simple yet effective highlighting can significantly improve the workflow of sales representatives. With the high-risk leads clearly marked, sales reps can focus their efforts on leads that have the highest potential for conversion or require immediate attention, leading to better management and quicker responses. Thank you for watching this demo. By leveraging field highlighting in Salesforce, you can ensure that your team is always focused on the most critical leads. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Salesforce experience. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly.